Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Payel, and for today's video I am going to show you Nykaa's 5 different lipsticks. Like they are different shades and different variety also. So if you want to know about those Nykaa's 5 different lipsticks, then keep on watching. The first one is this Nykaa Pout Perfect, and it is in the shade Kiss and Tell Pink 02. So it's a very beautiful neon kind of pink. You can use this for blush also, and this is their latest launch for lipstick, and this is very creamy, very smooth, and it is very beautiful lipstick. It contains 2.49 gram of the product, and it retails at rupees 499. The next one is this Nykaa Paint Stick. This is a very beautiful purple color. This is the shade Purple Monster. This is a very bold, beautiful purple color. And I found out of all the 5 lipsticks, this is the most matte one. This was quite dry on my lips, and it was a little bit tough to remove that lipstick. The stain was still there on my lips, and it is so dark color but still so much bold and pigmented. It is not at all patchy. You can see it has evenly applied on my lips, so definitely this is one of the good lipstick. Next one is this Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Orange Vice. So the best part of this lipstick is that the cap of this lipstick is magnetic. Like, this is the coolest part I found. Like, I don't have any lipstick having the cap magnetic, which connects it. So this is also a very beautiful orange. This I got as a free thing. Like, I bought, I think, around 1300 rupees or 1500 rupees of shopping, and along with that Nykaa gave me this one as free. So the orange is very beautiful, true orange, very beautiful color, and I love the cap of it. Really, I don't know how many times I did this. The next one is this Nykaa Mattelicious in the shade Perfect Plum. This is also, I think you have seen me wearing this shade earlier also. This is also highly pigmented. All the lipsticks till now I have used Nykaa lipsticks. They are highly pigmented, and yeah, they are going to stay long with you because you need very little bit of the product, and they are all pigmented and they are not at all patchy. So this is, I think, my go-to color. Like, if I don't know, if I am confused with any color of lipstick, I'll pick up and apply this. Next one is this Nykaa Mattelicious shade Next Level Nude. So this is one of my favorite nudes. What I like to do, I use the earlier lipstick as lip liner and then apply this one in the middle, because this is quite nude for me and this washes me out, and yeah, this I cannot wear without lip liner. So, but once I use a lip liner and apply this, it turns out to be a very beautiful nude color, as you can see. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.